actually promised one of my subscribers that I'm going to talk about this product, and I've been doing a lot of research about it, but this is just going to be a very short video. So welcome back again to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and if for some coming around, you're welcome. Like, feel free, check out my videos, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, comment in the comment section, and I will answer you, I will reply you. Ask your question, I will reply you. So now I'm going to be talking about Olaybact. Like, this is a request video. I'll be talking about Olaybact lotion and how it's going to, like, just everything about Olaybact lotion. So number one thing about Olaybact is that Olaybact is a very good product, and because it's a very good product, there is a lot of fake out there. So that's number one thing I've like noticed. Like, you want to use Olaybact lotion. Yes, there is a lotion. I know there is Olaybact for kids and there is Olaybact tube there, but there is also Olaybact lotion now. I don't know if I should call it a new product or I should call it a product that is just there that we do not really know much about. You know, there are some products that they are just there. Like, I don't know how to classify, but I can just say it is not a very popular product, but as time goes on it might get popular. So Olaybact lotion, Olaybact tube, and Olaybact for kids. Olaybact is very good. It is very good, and that's why there is a lot of fake. You know how this thing work. Once the product is working very well, then they do the fake out there, you know, just to cash out. And if you want to get the Olaybact lotion, get it from a trusted vendor. You understand? From a trusted vendor, from a supermarket. Just, you understand? So another thing about Olaybact lotion is that there is two type, or let me say in range. There is Olaybact in range. There is one for lightening and repair, and there is another one solely for repairing. I'll put a picture and I'll specify it. There is one for lightening and repair. It lightens your skin, it glows your skin, at the same time it repairs your skin, like, you understand. And there is also another one that this one is only for like repair. It doesn't really lighten, but it glows, but it's for repair. Like, if you've used a lotion in the past and maybe it damaged your skin, gave you some reactions and all that, and you're looking for a repair lotion, then this Olaybact is very good for skin repair. And for Olaybact tube is very good. It's very good anti-reaction. Like, if you need anti-reaction to mix in your cream, like prevents all these things that do come with cream, then Olaybact tube is very good. Olaybact tube is one of the best anti-reactions out there right now. And there's also Olaybact for kids. There is Olaybact for kids. So I know sometimes I just some people make some weird things inside Ori, like for kids. Well, but it is not advisable, it is not advisable. So if you are looking for a cream for your kid, for your child, like just something to just moisturize their skin, then the Olaybact for kids is also very good for them. It's also very good. Like, it's not advisable to be mixing too much things for children, for kids. Like, their skin is very sensitive, so take it easy with them, please. Don't use all these lotions out there for kids, except it is specified as for kids. That's why I'm saying this Olaybact lotion is very good for kids. So about the Olaybact lotion, the one I think there's the carrot and there's the gold. So the soap you can use with this Olaybact lotion, you can try the there's this soap I really want to recommend. I can't remember the name, but I'll put the picture up on the screen. You can use that soap. I'll put the picture up on the screen. You can also use the extract soap with this Olaybact lotion. It's very good. Like, you know, extract is like simple and glowing, and it lightens like well and evenly. So get the extract soap with this lotion. It should really help. And I'll put the other picture of the soap I'm trying to talk about on the screen. I can't really remember the name right now. And when you're using the Olaybact lotion, the Olaybact products are very good, but still add anti-reactions and all that you need. Like, if you are stretch mark prone, add your stretch mark ampoules. If you are green vein prone, add your shiny perfect leg, create chemical, gel class, and all those things you will add into it. If you are white dots, prawn, and all that, add propylene glycol, add NDG, add things that will help the product to penetrate into your skin, and add that anti-reactions into it. Like, I think this Olaybact lotion, you don't even need to add another anti-reactions. Just buy the Olaybact tube and add this into it. So I hope this video helps. I hope I answered your questions. The person that asked me about it, I really tried to get review about it, but so far so good. There is no bad review about this lotion. The only review that is not really cool about it is that there is a lot of fake out there, but you can really like skip that if you get it from their page on Instagram, or you get it from a very trusted vendor or a supermarket that is very, because recently some supermarkets are stocking up fake, so just be careful. I think when you get a product, always scan it. There's always a scan code on the product. Like when I got my frozen collagen, I scanned it and I know that it is a genuine product. So I can try that with any of your products. Also, just scan it to check if it is genuine product or not. Once you scan it and it doesn't like bring out a website to confirm that it is a genuine product, just leave that store. Like, just go to another store, don't buy it. That means it is not genuine. I think it is easy to confirm whether your product is genuine now more than ever. So yeah, that will be all for today's video, and I will see you in my next. Don't keep taking care of your skin, stay moisturized, drink a lot of water, and of course subscribe to my channel. Like, see you in my next. Bye bye.